Hi, Brendan. I hope you're doing well. You asked me to make a live demo of one of my recent programming projects, so I've decided to show you a game that I've been working on that I programmed in C++. So I'll just get that from GitHub real quick. Um, yep. And then I will just compile it. So just to explain sort of the core concept of the game. So basically, the game consists of different objects. You have miners, you have candy mines, and you have towers at this point. And what the miners are supposed to do is they can move around the grid that's displayed here. So you can tell them to move somewhere, and when they get there, they will stop moving. Another option for them is that you can make them work, and you can tell them to go to a candy mine, pick up candy, and then they will, and tell them also which tower to bring it back to. So they pick up, so the miners will go work at a candy mine, pick up candy, and bring it to a tower, and then this back and forth until the candy mine is depleted. So, as I told you, you can tell the miners to move around. So if I tell, for example, miner 1 to move, I'm going to tell a miner to move, so I use M. So it's miner 1 that I'm interested in, and I tell them to move to 2015 on the grid, which will be right around here. So if I launch this, there's two, so this sets things in motion, but doesn't actually make the miner move yet. You have to either tell the miner to go, which will make the miner advance in one step in time, or you can tell the miner to, or tell the game to run, in which case events will happen until a significant update occurs, which is a miner arriving at a candy mine, or arriving at destination, or a miner arriving back at the tower. Sorry. Yes. So events will progress until you hit a significant update. So I'm just going to use go so we can see sort of the steady progression of things. So if I hit go, you see the miner start make his way from initial position to and direct himself towards 2015, and it actually displays in the status that M1 is at location 8.65 and 4.4, and is moving at speed 5 towards 2015, which is where we told him to go. And he's moving 3.6 and 3.4 amounts in the X and the Y each time frame. So if we continue, the miner will eventually make his way, and here we can see the miner at the top. So another option is, like I said, is to tell the miner to go work at a mine. So if we told miner 2, so we tell miner to work, in this case we want it to be number 2, miner number 2, and we tell miner 2 that we want him to work at candy mine 2, so we'll put a 2 here, and we want him to deposit, or her to deposit, the candy at tower 1. If we launch this, we'll see when I launch go. So here you can see the update, miner 2 mining at candy mine 2 and depositing at tower 1. Now if I hit go, see the miner 2 making his way towards C2. Now let me hit the run button, the run operation for once, so that we can see a more rapid evaluation. And here, see, steps have been taken in time, but and so now we see that the miner 2 is at candy mine 2, and on the map this is displayed as a star because there's 2 objects on the same place. And now if we hit go, you'll see that sorry, miner 2 is making his way towards tower 1 to deposit the candy. In particular, you can also see that candy mine 2 only contains 65 candy at this point. And now if I hit run and go, you can see that tower. The tower status the um, once the miner has deposited the candy is now 35. So this was just a short demo to show you one of the projects I've been working on, object-oriented programming on C++, and I hope this sort of fulfills the criteria for what you were looking for. Thanks.